Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to access PayPal services in Pakistan. While PayPal is not directly available for residents, and you cannot create an account directly from within Pakistan, there is a widely used indirect method. This approach involves a few steps to bridge the gap, allowing you to send and receive payments. We will guide you through the most common workaround to help you navigate this challenge effectively. To establish your PayPal presence, you must create an account in a country where PayPal is fully supported. This typically involves providing a valid foreign address and a local phone number. Many individuals achieve this by leveraging the assistance of a trusted friend or family member residing abroad. Alternatively, certain services can provide you with virtual details to facilitate this crucial first step. Once your PayPal account is set up, the next step is to link an international payment service, such as Payoneer. Payoneer offers virtual bank account details that can be connected to your PayPal profile. This linkage is essential for verifying your PayPal account and for managing your funds. This intermediary service effectively acts as a crucial bridge for your financial transactions. Now, to integrate your local funds, you can connect your JazzCash account directly to Payoneer. This partnership allows you to transfer funds from JazzCash to Payoneer, often instantly. When you need to access your PayPal earnings, you can withdraw them to your linked Payoneer account and then seamlessly transfer those funds into your JazzCash mobile wallet. Always review any transaction limits or associated fees for smooth processing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.